Hey everyone, Morgan here. So I'm going to be doing two projects today. They're very similar. So that's why I'm kind of doing it in the same video. I'm going to be doing some homemade lip balm and homemade lotion bars. That's right, lotion bars. Supposedly, I've never made lotion bars before. I've never made lotion, period. But I've never made lotion bars, and I think it's such a cool concept. It's these little bars, and apparently you just rub it on your skin and it gets it nice and soft and moist. You don't have to mess with any like liquid or anything, or the actual process of making lotion, liquid lotion, is kind of a little more technical, and this is not so technical. So I'm going to start with the lotion bars just to get my feet wet a little bit. But so the lip balm, I have my tubes here. I got this from Amazon. It's how many? 25 empty tubes. So tubes, I'm going to be giving these away as gifts, so I want to make it. Now, I used to make lip balm in the past with just beeswax and coconut oil, but I'm adding the shea butter, I don't know. I have never worked with shea butter before, so I got it. It was for this recipe, and I always have like a big bag of beeswax. I have another bag in my room. So you always want to use a double boiler method with this stuff. Always, always, always. That's probably a little too much water. Probably going to pour a little out here. But you always use double boiler method with this kind of stuff. So while this is melting, it's just about melted, I decided to try to get the lotion bar mix ready. And it's a lot more ingredients than I had anticipated. It wants me to use 1 cup of coconut oil, and then 1 cup of the shea butter, and then 1 cup of the beeswax. But it is full to the brim, so I'm going to let this melt. And then I'll add the beeswax later. And I think it should be fine once it's melted, but it's a lot. But this is just about ready here. And once I take this off, I'm just going to add an essential oil to it. I'm going to add peppermint oil to give it a nice little pepperminty-ish tint of flavor to it. 3, 4, 5. That's probably good. I don't want it so pepperminty. Just a little hint. I can smell it. Then you mix it up. I don't have any suitable funnels or anything, so I'm just going to be kind of careful. If a little spills, that's okay. Whoa. Wow. So with this little spillage, I would have been able to do one more because there was just a little bit left in here, just enough with that, along with the little bit of spillage here. I would have been able to do one more, but I actually estimated almost perfect. That's a lot of chapstick. That one's going to be for me because these other ones are a little bit prettier and not so overflown. But yeah, it looks fantastic. So we're just going to let it sit here and cool, and then I'll clean off the edges and the outsides and stuff. That's easy. Okay, I had to transfer everything into a bigger jar because this littler jar just was not doing it. So this looks a lot better. It was like almost spilling over the top with just the shea butter and the coconut oil. And I hadn't even added the beeswax in, and it needs to all get melted. So yeah, now it's looking really good. So basically, lip balm and the lotion are exactly the same. They both used the beeswax, they both used the coconut oil, and they both used the shea butter, and with a little essential oils, whatever you wanted to add. The essential oil I'm going to use for this one is going to be the lavender oil. Just a little bit of lavender. That's it. That's all I want, just a little bit of scent. And I'm going to put them in these awesome silicone molds, so I'm excited about that. And I'm going to put a link down below to where I found these recipes online. And once they all cool and I try them and stuff, I mean, they have to fully cool and harden. Okay, I'm going to quickly pour in the lavender. This is a behemoth. I'm going to put in a little bit more than the lip balm. Stir it in. Smells good. Okay, I'll just pour it in these molds. Oops. My aim is off today. Not sure what it's on, but it's off today. Here we go. Look at that. Made a lot less than I thought it would. Made 8. Good. Looks great. So we're just going to let this naturally cool until it is set and ready to take out. Okay, so these are pretty much done. I wiped the outsides. As you can see, they're nice and good. The more that I'm looking at these though, the more that I'm realizing I should have filled them all to the brim like I did this one. But that's okay. These are good. And a bonus about making your own chapstick is that these are your homemade fire starters. These are great for starting fires. I start fires with chapstick all the time. And because they're beeswax and a bunch of, you know, organic natural stuff, it's nice to have around. But yeah. So there's a little bit on the plate here. So I'm just gonna take it. I'm sampling it. I'm gonna sample. It's nice. It's maybe, I would probably add a little bit more wax next time. It's maybe a little greasier than I would generally want my chapstick, but it's very soft and smooth and it feels great on my lips and has that ever so hint of mint. I put in I think the perfect amount of mint. Okay, it's been a few hours. Look how it's separating. It's coming off. So let's see if we can get it out. Oh yeah, look at that beauty. Look at this. It's gorgeous. Okay, so this is supposed to be lotion. Okay, my hands are actually very dry right now, so this is the perfect opportunity to try it. Wow, this just like goes right on. It's maybe a little greasier than I normally like my lotions. Not a little greasier, probably a lot greasier, but my hands are definitely feeling soft. And it looks like it's actually absorbing pretty quickly. You know, I think I could tweak it a little bit more and probably put way more wax in it. I put a cup of wax. I could probably put a cup and a half or something to make it less greasy. But my hands do feel really soft. And it actually worked. It's so cool. It's lotion bar. You just put it on your hands. And anyway, this is a very fun experiment. The lip balm is perfect though. I had said it was a little greasy, you know, a little extra moist, but for a lip balm, it actually works really well. And I've been using it and I love it for a lip balm. But a little bit extra greasy for the hands and stuff, I'm not feeling so much. But some people don't mind that. It just kind of depends on your preference. But it does definitely make my hands feel soft and moist, so that's something. It smells really good too. I would definitely, I don't smell the lavender at all, so I would put way more essential oils in next time. But anyway, very cool experiments today. I've done lip balm before, never in such big batches, and never with the shea butter, however you say it. And never made the bar lotion. I think that is just so cool. But I can always make it better and everything for the future. So anyway, let me know what you guys have done when it comes to lotions or lip balms or anything. Let me know your favorite recipes or anything like that. If you hear that squeaky, and that's Isaiah with his toy. Thank you all so much for watching. Conquer Tomorrow by Prepared Today. Talk to you all tomorrow. Bye.